Okay, I have this garden hose that was supposed to be a heavy-duty garden hose. Anyway, I turned on the water, left it under pressure, and I have this garden head that I can shut off. So it was under pressure, and it laid in the sun for a few hours, maybe 10 in the morning. The hose burst. You can see right there. Maybe I can show you with the water on just slightly. So this garden hose wasn't the cheapest garden hose. It burst anyway. I don't want to buy a whole new garden hose to replace it. So what I'm going to try to do, since the burst happened way up near the front, is I'm just going to try to fix this. Repair it and make it last a little bit. So I'm going to walk you through what I'm going to do that. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the bad section of hose, and I want it to be as straight as possible, so I'm going to use one of these rigs. Okay, so now I got a clean end right here, and I'm going to repair it by using these right here. This is a replacement end for a hose, and this is just a hose clamp. So we're going to place the hose clamp on the hose ahead of time, and then we're going to use our new head replacement piece, and we're just going to jam this in the end of the hose. Now you're only going to be able to get it so far by hand. Get on there as much as you can by hand. And then what I like to do to get this the rest of the day on, just jam a screwdriver in here and hold on to the hose and smack it with a hammer and get it down there. Alright, and this is looking pretty good to me now. So now I'm just going to slide the hose clamp up towards the collar here. Not all the way up, but pretty close. And then we're just going to tighten this up. In my case, this is a 9/16 ratchet. You don't want to kill it, just make it tight enough. I feel like that should do it. Let's give it a test. First, I'm just going to turn on the water, make sure that there is a watertight connection there. And now our big test is going to be with this head-on hose head. And I'm going to make sure it's in the off position and make sure it can hold pressure. And we'll see how well this can hold pressure. Looks like it's holding. So I'd say this is a successful repair.